So today we're going to unpack an earphone from the brand Soundcore and powered by Anchor. And I have already unpacked the cellophane or the packaging itself, the GNT packaging, and I want to unbox it with you. So let's see what's inside. It comes with a manual. So it says Soundcore Lesser Noise Better Listening. It has also noise cancellation technology, which is good if you are traveling, if you want a background that's noiseless or less noise, if you want to concentrate on something you want to listen. It's got I think 10 hours of play in just a single charge, and 10 times more detailed sound. By it's powered with high resolution audio wireless, and it's water resistant IPX4, and it also supports wireless charging. Good. It's very good. Nowadays almost all technologies are supported with wireless charging. Usually wireless charging is for a high-end product. It's only given to those who purchase products that are high-end and a bit expensive compared to the base model. So let's look at what's inside this box. By the way, the price of this earphone is just around 1,000. I got it for 900 something for on sale.